Well, I got the frame almost ready for primer. These front frame horns are going to be getting cut off. That whole center section is going to be getting cut out. And then back here, this cross member is going to be getting cut out. That bracket will get cut out. And for now, this one's staying in place, but we'll likely be removing this also and doing an X brace out of chromoly tubing in here to stiffen the frame up. But it's getting close, guys. Primer and paint this week. New video up Sunday morning, 8 a.m. Stay tuned. Appreciate you all.